In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel MoneyGram money transfer. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect after you cancel, so you can feel confident handling your transfer. Start by signing in to the Switch application using your usual credentials. Once you're in, look for the MoneyGram option on the home screen or in your services list. Tap that and then open your transfer history. This is where all your recent and past MoneyGram transfers are listed, usually showing details like date, amount, and current status. Find the transaction you want to cancel. It's important to check the status before proceeding. If the transfer is still pending or hasn't been picked up or deposited yet, you should see a cancel option available. If the funds have already been received by the recipient or the transfer is fully completed, the cancel option may not appear and the transfer likely can't be reversed. Assuming it's eligible, go ahead and click cancel. You'll be prompted to select a reason for cancellation. Choose the option that best matches your situation. This helps keep your account activity accurate and can speed up any support review if needed. After selecting a reason, you'll usually see a brief confirmation screen. Take a quick moment to review the amount being canceled and any notes about fees or exchange rates, especially if it's an international transfer. Confirm the cancellation to complete the process. When it's done, you'll see a confirmation message explaining that your balance will be refunded to the card you originally used. Refund timing can vary depending on your card issuer or bank, so don't worry if it doesn't appear instantly. In many cases, it shows up within a few business days, and sometimes you may see a temporary pending credit first. When you're finished reviewing the message, click OK to close it out. If you prefer more guidance, another method is to visit the official MoneyGram Help Center online. There, you can search for canceling a money transfer, read their latest policy details, and see answers to common questions about eligibility, refund timelines, and what to do if your transfer can't be canceled within the app. It's a great resource if anything on your screen looks different or you need clarification. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more MoneyGram tips and tutorials.